In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google Calendar with Airtable. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have seamlessly integrated these two powerful tools, streamlining your workflow and maximizing productivity. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to Airtable. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to Airtable's website. If you're not already familiar with Airtable, it's a fantastic tool for creating collaborative spreadsheets with rich capabilities. Once you're on their webpage, look for the login option. You should see a sign-in button clearly marked on the homepage. Click on it to begin the sign-in process. If you don't have an account yet, I would suggest pausing here to create one. It's straightforward and quick. Now that you're on the sign-in page, go ahead and enter your account details. If you've been using Airtable already, this step will be a breeze. After entering your credentials, hit the continue button, which will take you to your Airtable dashboard. Now that you're in, you'll be greeted with your Airtable workspace. From here, you need to locate the table you wish to connect with your Google Calendar. Browse your list of available tables and click on the one that you intend to use. This selection is crucial because each table holds distinct data and you'll want to ensure you're linking the correct one. With your table open, direct your attention to the option that allows you to add or import data. This feature is key to connecting external apps or data sources like Google Calendar. Click on the Add or Import Data button and you'll see various available integrations. Here, you should see Google Calendar listed among the options. Click on it and you'll proceed to selecting the specific Google account that you want to link with Airtable. If you haven't linked an account before, you'll need to click on Connect New Google Calendar Account. Doing so will prompt you through some permissions and authentication steps, which are necessary for Airtable to access your Google Calendar data securely. Once you've clicked that, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account details. This is a necessary step to bridge the two platforms securely. Enter your Google credentials, ensuring that you grant the necessary permissions for the integration to function properly between Airtable and Google Calendar, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have your Google Calendar and Airtable linked. This integration will allow you to manage your schedules and tasks in a much more organized and efficient manner, enhancing both individual and team productivity. If you encounter any issues or need further assistance, feel free to explore Airtable's support resources for more detailed guidance. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.